Good morning from a rather chilly South Lanarkshire in Scotland. For once, I'm walking along and my wife's behind me.
Not for long.
So this morning we decided to come out and we're going to have a little wander around New Lanark and the Falls of Clyde.
Out a little bit unprepared today. It's bloody Baltic. Should have put another layer on. Genius. But hey ho, a little bit of walking and I'll soon be warm. It's beautiful around here.
Nestled in the stunning Clyde Valley, New Lanark is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that blends history, nature and innovation.
This 18th century mill village, founded by social pioneer Robert Owen, offers a glimpse into Scotland's industrial past while showcasing his revolutionary ideas for workers' welfare.
I feel like I need a cup of tea already.
So we're walking up from New Lanark, a path along the side of the Falls of Clyde. Going to go up to Corra, Linn and Bonnington, Linn further up. Chuck the drone up, see if we can get some nice shots of the waterfalls.
He's just walked off and left me on my own. Pretty place. I think this is actually the coldest time of year that we've been. The Falls of Clyde. It's a bit bitter. Should have brought my gloves. And the hat. And my
thermals. This boardwalk's great. I really enjoy walking along here, but when the water really gets up, this can actually be underwater, so quite often when we come down here through kind of late autumn, winter, into early spring, you just can't walk this. Even now, with the gripper tape on it, it is a little bit slippery, a bit dicey. It's quite quiet today, not many people here. Really nice just walking alongside the river, listening to the waterfalls. Looks like she's walking a dog.
It's like I'm walking a dog, isn't it?
Literally just said that. You right with your little dog there, babe?
So apparently there's otters around here as well, but I don't know if it's too cold for otters. Is it too cold for otters? Do they have a temperature preference?
It's Bonnington Power Station. Oh, there's not much water at all. Honestly thought there'd be a lot more water than that.
It's good for the glutes.
for the glutes.
One thing established, I'm very unfit. That should be me.
Oh, coming up to Bonnington Linn waterfall. This one's beautiful. We've seen it stronger. Much, much stronger. Oh well, let's wander around. All I'm thinking of now is a cup of coffee.
Yep. Fine specimen.
The filming. Fine specimen, where?
Battle of the cameras.
Amazing how much brighter it is when you're out of the trees.
Just getting the drone up again. Try and get some more footage of the falls. They are so poor. They're like, there's no water. It's really strange. I don't think it's ever been this low on water in the times we've been here. It's a bit strange. Still pretty though. I think we need to come back when it's snowing. And when we've got a really good snow. I think that would be absolutely amazing. So I think maybe we should do that. But yeah, I'm still freezing, even though I've done lots of walking. Yeah, quite uncomfortable. I just want to go and get a cup of tea and have something to eat. I'm starting to feel a bit hungry.
That made me really dizzy. Woo! So Lauren's really struggling today. Bless her, she's really cold. It is quite chilly. So we're going to head back to New Lanark, to the visitor centre, get a cup of coffee and something to eat. It's already gone lunchtime. That's the end of the walk. Let's see about getting a little something to eat and drink. I guess prepare to have my bank account destroyed. This place is not going to be cheap. Oh, babe. Something like us.
I know.
Coffee and a cake?
Tea and a cake. Tea and a cake.
Bits from the old mill. That's cool. Paninis, toasties, soup, burgers, baked potato, pizza. Panini each, chips each. It's going to be a tenner. So we're looking at probably 30 quid. Drinks and a cake. 2 paninis, 2 chips, luxury hot chocolate, black tea, 2 slices of cake, 33 quid. Ouch. Better be good. I am hungry. So this is Lauren eating her pudding before her main lunch even turned up. There is no control in that woman. No control in her at all. Look at this, look. Half the frigging cake's gone already. Poor kid. Honestly, it's really nice walking around here, but the worst part is the hill back to the car park. Oh.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.